Hi everyone, this is Miss Mealand, one of the first grade teachers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log on to ClassLink and then access your child's Google Classroom. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to follow the link on the Del Valley website to ClassLink, or follow the link if your child's teacher provided it to you. You make sure that you see the red cardinal and Del Valley ISD right here. If you do not see that, you are not on the right website. So make sure you see the red cardinal mascot and Del Valley ISD. In the first box, you're going to put your child's username, which is their ID number. If you do not have your child's ID number, please reach out to their teacher. And the second box, you're going to put your child's password. At the very bottom, it says sign in with QuickCard. Your child may still have their QR code from school, and if they do, you can click that blue button and it'll bring you to a page where your child can just scan their QR code in front of a camera and it will automatically log them in. For this video, I'm going to just sign in using my credentials. So I'm going to click the blue sign in button. And it's going to bring me to the ClassLink webpage that hosts all of my apps. So you're going to find the Google Classroom app and click on it. And then it's going to prompt you to sign into your Google account. Your child's Google account is their ID number at delvalley-isd.org, like the ending on my email address here. So you're going to input that, and then you're going to have to enter their password too. So this is now going to take me into my Google Classroom, and as you can see, there are several different classrooms in here, and your child should also have several different classrooms. Please click on your child's teacher. I'm going to show you my classroom. And it's going to show us the first page is called the stream page. So it's our first tab is the stream. And down here you will find announcements from various teachers, including our counselor. And over on the left-hand side, it will tell you upcoming assignments and due dates. So we're now going to click on the second tab, which is classwork. And under this tab, you are going to see your child's assignments for the week. In my classroom, I have it laid out. All of the required assignments are under one tab. And you're going to go through and you're going to click on each individual assignment in order to view them. And there should be instructions in there how to complete that assignment. So yeah, so that concludes our video for how to log into ClassLink and Google Classroom.